Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use word effects on Facebook Messenger. If you're using Facebook Messenger and now you want to use word effects, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Facebook Messenger app and here just select the person or chat with which you want to use word effects. As I have selected, now select the file and here you'll get the word effects icon. Just tap on it and here you just have to type a word or phrase. As I'm going to tap this one. Now select emoji icon and here you have to select emoji and here's the word and here's the emoji. Now tap on send and here's I have saved this one. Now go back and here when you will enter the word which you have saved. As I have saved this one, now tap on send. So this time emoji effect will be sure. You can easily keep and hold to play with this one. So that's how you can easily use word effects on Facebook Messenger. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.